Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Saint-Joseph-de-Coleraine is a municipality in the Chaudiere-Appalaches region of southern Quebec, located near Thetford Mines and surrounded by forests, lakes, and rolling hills. The municipality has a population of roughly 2,000 people and is known for its mining history, outdoor recreation, and natural scenery. The area reflects the combination of industry and landscape that shaped many communities throughout this part of Quebec during the 19th and 20th centuries. The history of Saint-Joseph-de-Coleraine began during the 19th century as settlers moved into the region through the expansion of farming, forestry, and mining industries. The name Coleraine comes from a township designation linked to Ireland, reflecting the British and Irish influence found in parts of southern Quebec during the early settlement period. French-Canadian settlement later expanded throughout the region, creating the cultural mix that still defines many communities in this part of Quebec today. Mining became one of the most important industries in the region during the late 19th and 20th centuries. Nearby Thetford Mines became internationally known for asbestos mining, and smaller surrounding communities, such as Saint-Joseph-de-Coleraine, were closely connected to that industry. Mines, processing facilities, railways, and worker settlements helped shape the economy and landscape of the area for generations. The mining industry brought employment and population growth, but it also permanently changed parts of the surrounding terrain. The region's mining history remains visible today through large tailing hills, industrial sites, and altered landscapes near former mining operations. These distinctive gray hills became one of the most recognizable features of the area around Thetford Mines. Over time, economic changes and health concerns surrounding asbestos led to the decline of the mining industry, forcing many communities in the region to adapt to new economic realities during the late 20th and early 21st centuries. Nature plays a major role in modern life throughout Saint-Joseph-de-Coleraine. Forests, lakes, rivers, and hills surrounding the municipality create opportunities for outdoor recreation throughout the year. Summers bring hiking, fishing, boating, and camping activities, while autumn transforms the forests with colorful foliage common throughout southern Quebec. Winters support snowmobiling, snowshoeing, skiing, and ice fishing across the surrounding countryside. Seasonal tourism now contributes to the local economy alongside regional services and small businesses. The municipality is also located near several scenic lakes and recreational areas that attract visitors from across Quebec. Waterfront cottages, campgrounds, and outdoor trails have become increasingly important as tourism expanded throughout the region. Many travelers visit the area to experience the natural scenery of the Appalachian foothills and the lakes that surround the former mining communities of Chaudiere-Appalaches. Transportation routes helped support the development of Saint-Joseph-de-Coleraine throughout its history. Roads and railways connecting the area to Thetford Mines, Sherbrooke, and other parts of Quebec allowed minerals, forestry products, and agricultural goods to move across the province. These transportation links also encouraged settlement and economic growth throughout the region during the 19th and 20th centuries. The area reflects a blend of French and English cultural influences connected to its settlement history. Historic churches, schools, and community buildings throughout the municipality reflect generations of local development. Over time, French became the dominant language across the region, although traces of British and Irish heritage remain visible in place names and historical records throughout the surrounding townships. Nearby Thetford Mines continues to serve as the economic center of the region, providing services, employment, healthcare, and commercial activity for smaller nearby communities. At the same time, municipalities such as Saint-Joseph-de-Coleraine maintain their own local identity, shaped by natural scenery, mining history, and outdoor recreation. Today, Saint-Joseph-de-Coleraine represents the industrial heritage, changing economy, and natural landscapes that define much of southern Quebec's Appalachian region. The municipality remains connected to its mining past while embracing recreation, tourism, and outdoor life as important parts of its present identity. Visitors passing through the area experience a landscape shaped by industry, forests, lakes, and the changing seasons of southern Quebec. watching.